Cleaning out your closet can be a daunting task, but when it's clean, it feels so good. Today, I'm gonna show you how to clean out your closet super quick so that you can feel like $1,000,000. To Secrets of a Stylist. For those of you who don't know me, my name's Kim. I'm a celebrity fashion stylist. And for those of you who do, welcome back. I'm pumped to see you guys. It is Friday, which means it's Fashion Friday. And before I move on into the closet and show you the main video, I just want to say thank you so much for tuning in. I love it. I love hearing from you guys. You guys are awesome. If you guys have any suggestions or comments on this video, leave a comment down below. And remember to hit the thumbs up or subscribe button, and I will show up in your mailbox every Friday. Okay, let's go into the closet. Follow me. I'm in the closet now. Did you guys follow? Tip number 1 for keeping your closet organized and also for saving space. These are my very favorite hangers. It doesn't have to be this brand of hanger. This one happens to be Nicole Miller, but I believe I got it at HomeSense. Velvet hangers. Look how thin they are. Super, super thin, and the velvet grips onto your clothes. So actually it's super helpful. If you have a smaller closet and it's like jammed full of clothes, which it shouldn't be because you should clean out your closet all the time, these hangers will save your life. So not wood, not plastic, nothing bulky. These hangers will really help everything just slide right in. They really save you some space. So tip number 1 is buy thin velvet hangers to help organize your closet. Tip number 2 for organizing your closet. I have been into many closets. Big ones, the size of like my master bedroom, super small ones in very small apartments and stuff in LA. My point is when you walk into your closet and let's say you pulled on a pair of jeans and you know you need some type of light top or white top, if you have like all colors like mishmashed in your closet, how on earth are you gonna quickly go grab the white or light colored top when there's like a million of them scattered all over the closet? You're gonna color code your closet. All of your black shirts together, all of your white shirts, all of your colored shirts. So now let's say I'm going to get dressed today. I throw on my black jeans. I'm like, you know what? I need a little color. So I need a color top. So I just scan through my tops till I get to the color section. Flip, 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 flip. Pull out the top. So color code your closet. And I'm gonna tell you, I always start from light to dark. And then I put the tank tops in the beginning and then short sleeve shirts and then long sleeve shirts in every color. Tip 3, put your casual shirts together and your dressy shirts together. So everything is always color coded, but it's in casual and dressy. So the tees that you wear every day, separate them from the blouses and the sweaters and those if you can. This closet is one of my children's closets. It's Aspen's. For her, she's organized, and actually she did this herself, to tell you the truth. Got her mama's gifts. She put all her casual graphic tees are up top with her jeans. We're gonna talk about this later. And she's got the dressier t-shirts, dressier for Aspen, are on the bottom. She's got plain black shirts that are V-neck and maybe a little more form-fitting. Then she's got the gray ones that are a little more form-fitting and dressier. And then she moves into the white. So she's kind of got her everyday ones up here that are a little more casual. So that's how she's sorted her closet. For my closet, I do the same thing. I have all my casual shirts on the top too, like Aspen, and then my dressier ones on the bottom because I don't use them as much. And I use my casual shirts every day. So that way I can just go to that section. Okay, tip number 4 for keeping your closet organized, buy bins for off-season clothing or anything else that's kind of a catch-all. In this bin, we've put hats, which are awesome, but we don't wear those all the time, or Aspen doesn't wear these all the time. She's got a toque in here. That's an awesome toque. And she's got a couple of hats. She plays beach volleyball, so she's got her beach volleyball visor. I believe I got these at Bed Bath & Beyond. This is not sponsored by them by any means, but they had a great selection in there. I don't think they were very expensive. And I just grabbed them in the neutral gray. So we've got hats in here. We've got bathing suits in here because, you know, after the summer's over, at least I do have a drawer full of bathing suits. You don't want them actually in your drawer if you don't have a lot of drawer space. So we've chucked them in the bin up here. And then I've got another bin up here, and I've just put in like books and things like that. And actually Aspen did that. She put the books in here. So I bought her the bins and she's organized her space. If you have more off season, like let's say big sweaters or all your summer dresses, you can actually buy bins that roll under your bed. But get that stuff out of your closet so that it's not here in your everyday experience. Okay, tip number 5, in all my closets, I have these installed, or I just hang them myself. This wasn't difficult. It just gives you an extra place for scarves, for purses, because it gives her a place to put it. Like, where else are you gonna put these things? In my own closet, I hang like sweatshirts, hoodies, house coat. They're an awesome space saver, and they allow you to be a little lazy. So let's say you come in and you just throw your jacket on the hook as opposed to having to hang it up. If you don't have the space for the longer hook rack, I really like these. This is called the Command brand by 3M. It was $15 from Bed Bath & Beyond. It's got the brushed silver, which makes it look good, not that white plastic, which just never looks good. All you have to do, I suggest just wiping your wall with rubbing alcohol just to clean it. And then all you do is peel it off and stick it. So you can see this wall space is actually very small. This is the perfect place for these single metal hooks. For me, in this space, if it was a client, I would put 3 of these in different places all down the wall, and she could hang hats, scarves, not a hoodie, but anything kind of smaller would be fine here. And for you guys, if you have a purse that you want to hang up, or long hanging purses. Anyway, they're great for anything. Look for these, and if you don't have a lot of room, they are a fantastic hook to put on your wall. Another cleaning your closet pro tip, jeans. I love to put the jeans right below the casual tops, which is actually what Aspen did, and she did it on her own. And she has them all color coded. She has her medium denim, she has her light denim and gray denim, and over here we have the darker gray. So she's categorized it. But it's great because if you know what you're looking for and you have the opportunity to sit them below the hanging stuff, she's utilized this space actually, which is really wise. Some people don't. So anyway, you can just grab the jeans that you want. So that's my tip. Always put the jeans right below the casual tops, because that is the tops that you are most likely going to be pairing them with. So it's just really convenient for you, and it's actually your eye and your mind can organize it and kind of visualize your outfit a little bit better. Another tip, if you don't have space on the floor, you can utilize your shelves for your shoes. This is something that I love to do. Aspen has done it here. She has her shoes up high. It's a little nicer if you have the space and you can do it, because then you can get a visual on your shoes and what you're doing. If you don't have this kind of space, you can actually buy shoe racks and put them up on shelves in your closet, and then you get even more space. I went to go look for shoe racks that I could actually put above her closet where she can store shoes, but I couldn't really find one that I liked. So I wanted one that was white that would match the closet, so it looked like extra shelves. Didn't find it. I will keep looking. If you guys know where I can find one, let me know in the comments below. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. I hope that you enjoyed this video. I hope that it was helpful to you, and I hope you can run out and get a few of these things that will help you clean up your closet. I'm telling you, a clean closet makes a world of difference. I feel like my whole world is kind of settled in when my closet's organized. So I'm pretty sure that you guys will really enjoy it too. If you guys like this video, remember to hit the subscribe button down below. It's red, and I will show up in your mailbox every Friday, and we will hang out. Anyway, thanks for tuning in, you guys, and I will see you next Friday. Bye.